Good evening. How is everyone doing? Hello. If you have never seen this face before, if you have never heard this voice before, how you doing? My name is Trese. I am the extremely proud owner of Glamorous TT Jewels. And while you're at it, before we go ahead and get started, if you can go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. I am an independent consultant for Paparazzi Accessories, and I sell fabulous $5 fun, fashionable accessories. I absolutely love my business. I love this company. I love what it is that I am doing with it. It affords you so many opportunities. This is going to be a really quick video. If you haven't already, check out the other videos that are on my page. Sorry about that. And I will have one in the card up above linked that I think is a really good video for you to watch after this one is done. But today I just want to get on really quickly, and there are many other reasons, but today I'm going to focus on 3 reasons why you should consider starting your own paparazzi accessories business the way that I did. And reason number 1, and mind you, there are multiple reasons. I'm going to drop you 3 today and leave you with some information. Maybe you didn't know, maybe you've been thinking about it, maybe you've been on the fence, maybe you've never heard of paparazzi accessories. Come in. Yes, you come in a little closer and let me clue you in. Reason number 1 is that you want to make extra money. Maybe you want to bring home an additional $200, $300, $400, $500 a month into your home. Maybe you're a single parent and you're just looking for a way that you can bring in extra money into the home. Maybe you have a trip coming up. Maybe you have medical expenses. Maybe you have old Sally Mae or Navient that you have to deal with. And so you need that extra little bit of money coming in that you can use specifically for that. Or maybe you are thinking of, you've been looking for a great business opportunity to start in, and voila, here we are with Paparazzi Accessories. Did you know that you buy the jewelry at retail for $5, but the wholesale rate is $2.75? When you buy this jewelry at $2.75 and you sell it for $5, you are earning a 45% commission. Honey, what business opportunities do you have where you can sell a product and earn 45% commission on that product? I do not know, but Paparazzi is an amazing company to be able to afford you that 45% profit commission when you whether you purchase it. Let me clarify, whether you purchase the jewelry for $2.75 or whether someone goes onto your corporate website and they buy those same pieces of jewelry for $5, you still get the same 45% commission. You get a website with Paparazzi Accessories the moment you sign up with them. You go online, you sign up under me, your kit, before your kit is even going to you, you have the ability to give your website information to all of your friends and family, like all of your new customers, all of these people that you have been in contact with already on a daily basis. They can go onto your website and shop. And then Paparazzi is going to send you a commission check around the 20th of each month for those pieces, that 45% commission. So that is one way, or one reason why you can go ahead and start your own paparazzi business and start making money, whether it is just to bring home some extra money or whether you are looking to venture into a full-time business. You can work this business as little as you want, or you can work it as hard as you want. Did you know that we have 6- and 7-figure earners in this company? Yes, we do. A lot of people join this company and they join for the reason that they just want to make a little bit of extra money. They want to bring some money to pay a bill off specifically, and they want to have this aspect or this business to, take care of whatever that need is, so that they're not pulling any additional monies out of the house or anything like that to take care of that. And then this business quickly starts to take over because it is so great. It is so fabulous. It is so easy to sell $5 accessories. And as a matter of fact, The jewelry actually sells itself. It just needs someone to show it, and that person is you. If you are looking, I will have all of my information down at the bottom. Watch the rest of my videos. But if you would like to join Paparazzi Accessories, and the only way that you can get in is through another consultant, and picking a consultant is extremely important so that you can join under the right person that will give you all the best advantages and the right tools to work your business very successfully. And reason number 2 for you starting your own paparazzi business is because you love fashion and you love jewelry. And who doesn't? Who doesn't like to be cute, camera ready at all times? Whether you like taking selfies, whether you just like looking good because you are a person who just likes to look good. You like, before, if you're stepping out, you just going to the store or whatever the case may be, you like to look good and on point. And with that being said, if you love fashion and you love jewelry, you love fashion accessories, let me go back and tell you, all of our accessories are nickel and lead free. So if anybody has any allergies, and a lot of people, that's what, when it comes to cosmetic jewelry, it is the nickel and the lead in the jewelry that causes people problems. All of our products are nickel and lead free. But also, did you know that Paparazzi puts out new releases Monday through Friday? You talking about fun, you talking about fashion, and you get access to hot new pieces Monday through Friday. Honey, that within itself is a golden reason to sign up for your own paparazzi business. You have 5 days a week. You have the ability to feed your customers something brand new every day. And I absolutely love it. I love when new releases drop. I'm here in Texas, so they drop for me about 2 o'clock every day, and I'm on there feeding like Miss Pac-Man. I'm ready. I am ready to grab those new releases because I can't wait to see the excitement on my customers' faces when they see them and they drop them and they claiming them, and I want this and I want this. It is a feeding frenzy because it's $5, it's fashionable, and it is absolutely fun. Absolutely fun. Trust me. Grabbing those new releases every day, your customers, your potential customers, and your business partners will thank you for doing that. And reason number 3, the final reason that I'm going to drop you with tonight, is because it is flexible and it is so fun. I am here right now in my in-home boutique, and I am on my cell phone. Do you know you can work your business out from your phone? You can do everything that you need to do from your current cell phone, whether you have an Android or whether you have an Apple product. You don't need to purchase any fancy cameras or anything like that. It is so flexible. If you are a mom, a single mom, a stay-at-home mom, even if you're a businesswoman, I do have a 9-to-5 job. I work my 9-to-5 job full time, and I work my business full time, and neither one of them impinge on or they're like, there's no mixing of the two, because I work my day job because I love it, and I work my business like even harder because this is for me and this is for my family. This is what I'm doing for my children, for me and my husband, first of all, my children, my grandchildren, and I want to be able to leave them with something. I'm a person who believes in multiple streams of income, and there is no better way to add an additional stream of income to your family's household other than paparazzi accessories. It just makes good sense. But it is so flexible. You drop the kids off to school in the morning from your cell phone, honey. You can be dropping pieces. You can be making sales. You can do a lot while you are on the go, because your cell phone, most of us, we live in a digital world. Most of us have our cell phones with us, on us everywhere we go. So boom, I'm sleep at night. I have the corporate website, and I have my own personal website, that everything that is in my boutique is on my personal website. I wake up in the morning to sales from my Shopify store that people have been up because people are on different time zones and things like that. And it is so much fun. I never thought that I would be a person who would enjoy getting in front of the camera, talking to people, connecting with people, building relationships that are so invaluable. And we only get one shot at this life. So let's live it up and bring forth our best and our energy and all that kind of stuff. And I love meeting new people. I never thought that I would hear myself say that I love meeting meeting new people, but I do. I love my customers. I love my potential customers. I love my potential business partners. And this is just a bonus reason for you starting your own paparazzi accessories business. It's because you get me as your team leader, honey. I am going to tell you and teach you and train you on everything it is that you need to know to become successful in this business. You just got to want it. Like, nothing comes for free. Nothing comes without work. I'm not saying that I don't put in work in my business, but it is so much fun that it doesn't even feel like work. I absolutely love this business. I love what I'm doing in this business, and I'd like for you to join me too. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Here on this channel, I talk about all things paparazzi accessories. And if you'd like to join my team, I'll have all my information in the information board down below. And thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for more videos and stay safe, everybody. Wash your hands.